Daily use common question and sentences. You are very creative. You are very creative. You are nice. You are nice. You are so kind. You are so kind. You are so positive. You are so positive. You are so caring. You are so caring. You are very responsible person. You are very responsible person. You are very talented. You are very talented. You are very smart. You are very smart. You are so loving. You are so loving. You are so dedicated. You are so dedicated. You are so encouraging. You are so encouraging. I am lost for my words to praise you. I am lost for my words to praise you. He missed the bus. He missed the bus. He caught the bus. He caught the bus. It's only 10 minutes walk. It's only 10 minutes walk. Have a safe and sound travel. Have a safe and sound travel. The travel was really tough. The travel was really tough. We enjoyed during travel. We enjoyed during travel. They make the bed. They make the bed. I don't wash the dishes. I don't wash the dishes. Jim doesn't work on Friday. Jim doesn't work on Friday. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. I always study hard. I always study hard. You go to holidays every summer. You go to holidays every summer. Where can I find the taxi? Where can I find the taxi? What time is my flight? What time is my flight? It's long journey. It's a long journey. I'm going by bus. I'm going by bus. When will the bus leave? When will the bus leave? Have you booked a room? Have you booked a room? Have you bought the ticket? Have you bought the ticket? Have your seat, please. Have your seat, please. Please fasten your seat belt. Please fasten your seat belt. What's the departure time? What's the departure time? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? Do you have any plan for tonight? Do you have any plan for tonight? I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. I can't find my sunglasses. I can't find my sunglasses. I'm going to a concert next month. I'm going to a concert next month. We walk every day in the morning. We walk every day in the morning. He sings well. He sings well. The driver drives the vehicle. The driver drives the vehicle. The birds fly in the air. The birds fly in the air. The baby cries for milk. The baby cries for milk. The fan moves fast. The fan moves fast. Start the meeting now. Start the meeting now. Finish the report today. Finish the report today. Email the team updates. Email the team updates. Hang up the laundry. Hang up the laundry. Lock the front door. Lock the front door. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Check the mail. Check the mail. Buy groceries today. Buy groceries today. Call a repairman. Call a repairman. Pay the bill. Pay the bill. Charge your phone. Charge your phone. Walk the dog. Walk the dog. Vacuum the carpet. Vacuum the carpet. Do you have the new timetable? Do you have the new timetable? What time do we have lunch? What time do we have lunch? Did you bring your lunch? Did you bring your lunch? What did you have at lunch? What did you have at lunch? How do you get to school? How do you get to school? How do you feel about the class? How do you feel about the class? I missed class yesterday. I missed class. Thanks for watching my video.